Pinsheng Electronics Company Limited is a professional PCB factory with 800 professional workers who manufacturing boards in 2 shifts, and the land area up to 30,000 square meter with a production capacity of rigid boards reach 80,000 square meters per month. Turnover up to $6.15 million per month. Through stable cooperation with domestic and overseas customers, PS Electronics has grown to be one of the leaders in PCB industry. Our products widely used in consumer products, communication, industrial control, automotive, computers, and lighting and so on. We have 58 sets of drilling machines. The minimum drilling hole size is 0.20 millimeters. Horizontal direct planting line to make sure each hole be filled with copper. Our automatic exposure machine was imported from Japan. Just only few big PCB manufacturers own this machine. We have 2 production lines of automatic panel plating. Most of PCB manufacturers only have 1. Online automatic optic inspection after etching. Make sure to discover whether exists open short circuit, then solve their issues. We have 15 sets of automatic silkscreen machines and 3 semi-automatic silkscreen machines. Routing on V-cut. We have 1 2D video measurement. We have 3 sets of fully automatic test machines. Normally, 2,000 cartons will be shipped out every day. Means 20,000 square meters. More than 25 salesmen with 5 years of broad experience and 50 engineers who support engineering and CAM. No matter where you're from, we're always here ready to serve you, and 24-hour service can be provided. With infinite passion and potential, we firmly keep space with a big data and informationization. Greatly promote information reconstruction and the ability of innovation to fully meet individualization and diversification according to customers' need. Respect and understand each customer. Continue to provide products and service when surpass their expectations to become customers' eternal partner and reliable brand enterprise. Finally, reach a win-win situation under joint efforts.